let me show you how to make this very quick, delicious, no churn blueberry ice cream. This is like a blueberry, like cheesecake flavored ice cream, and you guys, it is sensational. It is so phenomenal. I cannot even describe it to you, and it'll be a go-to for you. It's so good, so easy. You're gonna start off by making like a blueberry, sort of a syrup compote situation. You cook down blueberries with sugar and a little bit of lemon until they start to burst and cook down. It's important that your blueberries are not raw, otherwise they're just gonna freeze into like an ice block. And once they like get out all of their juices and all of their water, you're gonna thicken it with a little cornstarch slurry and let that sit aside to cool completely. Once there, you're gonna go ahead and make your ice cream base, which is very simple. You're gonna whip up some whipped cream until stiff peaks, then take that out of the bowl. I also added a little bit of vanilla powder here, but you could use extract. Then I'm going to take that out of the bowl once it has developed stiff peaks, and then in that same bowl I'm going to add in some cream cheese and some sweetened condensed milk. Cream those together with a little bit of lemon zest. You don't really taste the lemon, but you just need a little bit to kind of cut the richness. Cream those two together really nicely. It does not take long. I did this in my standing mixer with a pedal attachment, but to be honest with you, I could have done it by hand. Like, it's not that complicated. And then just mix those together, and then once they're there and combined, you're going to just take your whipped cream and you're going to add it back in and just fold it. Don't over mix it, you just want to fold it in. Once there, you're going to just go ahead and crumble in some graham crackers and then swirl in your blueberries that you've cooked down, but don't mix them all the way, otherwise all of your ice cream will turn purple. And the goal here is to just kind of have like swirls of that blueberry running through it. It is phenomenal. I'm telling you right now, it's so good. Just fold it like that, and then just place this into an ice cream container and pop it into the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours, but really overnight is just so much easier. And then before you serve it, just take it out 10 minutes before you're ready to scoop, and you are ready. It is insane. I'm telling you right now, the most delicious little ice cream ever. Make sure you check the description down below for everything you need to know, including the recipe, and that's pretty much it. Make it this weekend. You will absolutely love it, and it's just like so delicious with an extra little sprinkle of crushed graham crackers. You just cannot go wrong. Enjoy.